Never looking back, always forward. Never running from a challenge, run for it. Born a fighter, so the fight in me's enormous. If you ever seen victory is gorgeous, I could put the whole team on my shoulders. By any means, we some universal soldiers. Don't ever try to gamble with the high rollers. You rolling with us, so you getting rolled over.
The gloves are coming off.
The gloves are coming off.
The gloves are coming off.
The gloves are coming off. We taking no loss at any and all costs. Whoever we come across, we taking no loss at any and all costs. Whoever we come across, on sight we taking off. Tonight the world is ours. One shot, one clock, one clock. Who's gonna get to the top? Yeah. One shot, one clock, one clock. Who's gonna get to the top? To the top. One shot, one clock, one clock. Who's gonna get to the top? Who's gonna drop? Who's gonna rock? Yeah. Who's gonna get to the top? Who's gonna get to the top? Who's gonna get to the top? The gloves are coming off.
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 Whoever we come across, we taking no loss at any and all costs. Whoever we come across, on sight we taking off. Tonight the world is ours. Whoever we come across, on sight we taking off. Tonight the world is ours. Tonight the world is ours. The gloves are coming off.
The gloves are coming off.
Hi, my name's Alex and I'm the owner of 1Concept Auto. So our main focus when a new customer comes in our door is that initial one-on-one client reaction. I want me and the customer to feel really comfortable with each other. I want the vibe to just be perfect. I want the customer to feel comfortable about me repairing their cars, about leaving their cars, about picking up their vehicles and being confident in the fact that I'm here fixing their vehicles and they're not being taken advantage of in any way. I do what I do because I'm very passionate about my job. I love what I do on a daily basis. I love the daily grind, I love the daily pressure, I love the daily tasks, I love the challenge. I just love having a vehicle come in that's broken, and it's a very satisfying feeling having the car leave and it's fixed. My main purpose when a new client comes in is to establish a one-on-one customer relationship. To me, everybody who comes in my door isn't a dollar figure. I look at you as an individual. I have a sister, I have a brother, I have a mother. I wouldn't want them to be taken advantage of, so I don't look at anybody in a situation where I would take advantage of them. I want the customer to feel comfortable, the transaction to be comfortable, and I want them to leave my shop very happy and say, hey, this was a great experience, I'm definitely going back. What separates me from my competition is the fact that I'm very passionate about what I do. I really love my job and I really enjoy what I do, so that shows out in my work. We also are a one-stop shop, so we pretty much do anything that you can think of to a vehicle. We do general maintenance, engine repairs, engine builds, custom swaps, body work, powder coating. If you want it done to your vehicle, we'll get it done for you. So my character, man, I'm a goofball. All my customers can tell you I'm a goofball. I enjoy my life, I like to have fun. I don't have gold teeth for no reason. I love laughing, I love making people laugh, and I like it showing in my work. I'm all about good vibes. I think people appreciate that, and I appreciate that they appreciate that and let me be me. I guess I'd like to thank my friends and family first and foremost. A lot of my friends and family have pretty much supported me from day one, and that's a really big feeling that you guys are willing to A, give me the opportunity to work on your vehicles, and then B, actually support something that really means a lot to me. I've really put in a lot of time and effort of my own, and I'm not gonna lie, at some points it's been very exhausting, but I guess the fact to see that people are appreciative of what I do is kind of what motivates me on a daily basis. Being a small shop, it's been very hard for me to even get any support, so I mean, thank you to guys like Tony from Performance Works, Danny from Champion Cycle, the guys I apprenticed under in the GM. It's been a really long battle, but I mean, these guys were willing to help a small guy like me trying to succeed. I'm fortunate enough where my best friend Danny from Champion Cycle owns Champion Cycle. So I got the opportunity to build my beautiful race bike in the back with Danny. I spent 2 weeks bugging the crap out of him. He probably hated me at the end of it, but I got the opportunity to watch Danny start from the bottom and grow big, to watch his daily grind, his daily hustle, to watch him strive to succeed has really motivated me throughout the years. He's really given me that push that I need as a best friend to grow my business to where it is, and I really need to thank him for this. Berlin Classic was something that me and my brother started going to very early. We used to joke around about maybe I'd be there one day, and actually the dream came true. This year we got the opportunity to join with Motul Oils, which was great. We got to promote our shop on a much bigger level. Paco from Motul was very gracious, and it was a great feeling actually getting the opportunity to promote my shop at that level. Next year, obviously our plan is to do it a little bit bigger and better than every year. More builds, more impressions, bigger than this year, better than this year, and hopefully we can make a bigger impact than we did this year and previous years. Biggest thank you I want to thank out is my father. He's been my biggest motivation in life for everything, especially my business. My dad used to drive by and sneak up on me to see if I was going to work every day when I first started my business, because he didn't really take me serious. And it used to make me laugh because I'd catch him on video footage, and just little things like that. It was motivating. So he is the reason why I am what I am, so I really got to thank my father. Thanks for watching. Hope you like what you're seeing. Hope to see you guys over at the shop one time. Not if your car's broken, but even if your car's broken, we'd like to see you at the shop. So come by, everybody's more than welcome, and come by and say hi. What's up, guys? My name is Alex, and I'm the owner of 1Concept Auto.
You weren't supposed to look at the camera.
Oh, fuck.